equivalent ratio or not. We have to check out whether these ratios are equivalent to each other or not. So how can we check that, whether it is equivalent or not? See, first fraction is what? 15 upon 18, right? So 15, wait, I will write in this only. Fifteen upon 18, okay, which is equal to dash upon what it is written? Upon 6, right? Is equal to 10 upon dash. 10 is equal to dash upon 30. Is it all clear? The question is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
15 upon 18 dash upon 6, 10 upon dash upon 30. Now, are this all equal sign is given? We have to check out here. The question is, are this equivalent ratio or not? Are you getting? છે તો કેવી રીતે છે તો to find the equivalent fractions, we have to find the lowest term. Okay? First, out of this one fraction is given. Out of this all, બધામાંથી નાનામાં નાનો નંબર કયો છે? What is the smallest number here? 6. So 6 ની ઉપર જે ન્યુમરેટર આવશે, that will be our smallest ratio. This will be our smallest term. The smallest term ઉપરથી આપણે બધી terms find કરશું. Is that clear? So first is what? 15 upon 18. So to get 15 upon 18, this is 15 upon 18. Yeah. To get 6, by what number it has to be divided? મોટાથી નાનું આવવું હોય તો ડિવાઈડ કરવાનું. Are you getting? મોટા નંબરથી નાના નંબર પર આવવું હોય તો ડિવાઈડ કરવાનું. 6 સાથે કયો નંબર એવો છે જે મલ્ટીપ્લાય થાય તો 18 આવે?
2.
એમ 6 2s are 12 થાય. 3s are. So if we multiply with 6 by 3, we get 18. So if we divide by 3, can we get 6 here? 18 divided by 3 will be 6. So here also it will be divided by 3 if the denominator is divided by 3. So the fraction is 5 upon 6. In this, the answer is 5 upon 6. Now 5 upon 6 will be our base fraction because this is the smallest term. Are you getting? समझ पड़े छे? So 5 upon 6 we will take here as our base term. 5 upon 6. Now by taking 5 upon 6, 10 is given in numerator. In denominator it is dash. So 5 ને 10 સુધી લઈ જવા કેટલા સાથે મલ્ટીપ્લાય થાય?
5.
2.
5 2s are
See, let
10.
me tell you one thing. Smaller number to greater number GS એટલે multiply થયું. If the greater number is given, we have to go to smaller number. It has to be divided. Is that clear? So 6 will be multiplied again by 2. 6 2s are 12. So in this case, we got 1 2 as 12. Got it?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
समझ पड़ी के ना पड़ी?
Very easy.
Okay, our term will be the same, 5 upon 6, because that is only the lowest term. Are you getting? Now 5 upon 6, and we got 30 here as our base number. So 6 has to reach up to 30. 6 5s are,
6
Eyes are
5
30.
and 5 will be also multiplied by 30. Sorry, 5 5s are 25.
25.
So you got here 25. Is that all clear? Now,
Yes, sir.
now this was the method what we did. We have to check, are this equivalent ratio? How can we check? You divide this. 5 3s are 15. Sorry, 3 5s are 15 and 3 6s are 18. You got 5 upon 6 in this? Yes.
Yes, sir.
2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12. You got 5 upon 6 in this also? 5
Yes.
5s are 25, 5 6 are 30. You got 5 upon 6 in this also. So all the fractions, whatever we are getting as the lowest term, we are getting equal as 5 upon 6. So
Yes.
if the lowest term for all is 5 upon 6 equally, that means all the ratios are equivalent. So your answer should be yes. All the ratios are equivalent ratios. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ચલો
Very
ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર
good.
6. હું ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 6 માંથી કોઈ પણ એક જ સમ કરીશ, ફર્સ્ટ સમ કરી નાખીશ. રેસ્ટ ઓફ ધ three sums will
Find
be the
the
same.
ratio of the following.
We have to find simply the ratio of the following. Ratio find કરવાનો છે. What is the method to find the ratio? 81 is to 108. That is what the thing is given. 81 to 108 means what? 81 is 208. So our step will be 81 upon 108. Am I right? Now 8 plus 1, 9. 2 ના ટેબલમાં નથી જતો 81. 2 ના ટેબલમાં 108 જાય છે. Are you getting? But in table number 3, both the numbers will be divided. 8 plus 1 is 9 also over here, and 8 plus 1, 9. So 3 સાથે બંને જશે. 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21. So 3 27s are 81. Now 3 3s are 9, 1 here, 3 6s are 18. So 3 36 are 108. Got it? Now 3 9s are 27, 3 12s are 36. Again it is going by 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. So our content, which is the lowest term we got, is 3 upon 4. But this is not our answer. We have to place 3 upon 4 in the ratio part. 3 is for 81, is to 4 is for 108. So 3 is to 4 is the ratio, what we got. Is that clear?
No,
समझ
sir.
पड़ी गई boys?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
81 માં શું મળ્યું? 3 મળ્યું. 108 માં શું મળ્યું? 4 મળ્યું. By dividing numerator and denominator with each other. So 3 upon 4. So we have to place according to this ratio. 81 is to 108 is the base ratio of 3 is to 4. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Chalo, question number 7. Same thing. Find the ratio. Rest of the three. Rest of the 3 sums are your homework. Question number 7. Find the ratio of the following: 30 minutes to 1 hour.
1.30.
30 minutes to 1 hour. Now, who will tell me what we have to do in this? A unit different, a unit same करवा पड़ा है कि नहीं? 30 minutes to, can I say 60 minutes? 1 hour is equal to how many minutes?
60 minutes.
પાક્કું ને?
Yes, sir. Yes.
સમજાય છે કે નહીં?
हाँ, sir. हाँ, हाँ.
Now, can I take this 30 is to 60 as to find ratio? So can I take this as 30 upon 60? 0 0 got cancelled here. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So you got 1 upon 2. So 1 is for what? 30 is to 60 no su છે 2 છે. So 1 is to 2 is our answer. Anybody
Yes.
has any doubt with this?
No, sir. No doubt. No, sir.
So rest of the 3 sums you have to do by your own. Huh? Question number 7. Chalo, question number 8. Who will read this question number 8?
I, Raja.
In a year, Hima earned 1,50,000.
Any one child? Oh, hello, Ali Asghar. Somebody is reading. Why you are crossing them? Who was the first boy who was reading the question?
Sir is Verobus.
Please read the question fast. Then question number 9, Ali Asgar, you will read the question, okay?
In a
Okay,
year,
sir.
Seema earned 1,50,000 and saved 50,000. Find the ratio of money that Seema earned to the money she saves. Money that
Okay.
she saves to the money
Money
she
that
spends.
spends. Okay. There are two contents given here. Seema earns. એનું earning આપેલું છે અને Seema saves. એનું savings આપેલું છે. તો earns and saves નું compare તો થઈ જશે. But saves and spend નું compare નહીં થાય. Why? Because spend it is not given. So we have to take first thing as whatever things it is given, we have to write that thing separately, and whatever thing we have to find, we have to find that, and then we have to find the ratio. સમજ પડે છે? જે આપેલું હોય એ પહેલા લખી નાખવાનું. Let us go through answer number 8. Okay. Seema's Seema earns કેટલા રૂપિયા લખેલા છે? 1,50,000.
Yes, sir.
She saves how much rupee? 50,000. It is given in the question. We don't got this. How much she spent? Barabar. So can we say that 1,50,000 minus 50,000 1 lakh is her spending? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
જલ્દી જવાબ દેજો. મારી પાસે એવો ટાઈમ નથી કે હું એક એકની રાહ જોઈશ. બોયઝ, શું કર્યું? સમજ પડી કે ના પડી?
हाँ सर समझ गए.
We got the required things what we need to find the ratio of A and B. Question A and B માં જે question માં requirement છે એ બધી આપણે લઈ લીધી પહેલા. Understood? So Seema earns 1,50,000, she saves 50,000. તો 1.5 લાખ રૂપિયામાંથી 50,000 સેવ કરે તો out of 1,50,000, 1 lakh will be the expenditure of her that she spent. Understood?
Yes,
Now
sir.
we will find the ratio. Sum number A. Money that she earns to money that she saves. Okay. Ratio of money she earns to money she saves. બરાબર ને? આ છે ને? So can I write here 1,50,000 is to 50,000? Anybody has any doubt with this? What is the question? Seema earns to she saves, right? So Seema earns to she saves. That means 1,50,000. Earning કેટલું છે? 1,50,000. Savings is 50,000. Is that clear, boys? Boys, are you cleared or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, clear.
Yes,
Clear.
sir. Clear. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
1,50,000 upon 50,000. 40 got cancelled with this 4 zeros. 5 3s are 15 and 5 1s are 5. So we got remaining 3 upon 1. So our ratio we got is 3:1. 3 ભાગમાંથી 1 ભાગ ઈ સેવિંગ્સ કરે છે. What is the content? 3 ભાગમાંથી 1 ભાગ ઈ સેવિંગ્સ કરે છે. Is that clear?
Yes.
Then question number B. What is question number B? She saves to the money she spends. જો એટલું યાદ રાખજો, જે પહેલા વેલ્યુ હોય પેલી જ લેવાની હો બચ્ચા પાટી. If, for example, by chance, if you take 50,000 ahead of 1,50,000, then your sum will be wrong, because you have to find the ratio of the content to the other content. આમાં શું રેશિયો ફાઇન્ડ કરવાનો? રેશિયો ઓફ મની she saves પેલા છે, બરાબર? she saves to the money she spend, બરાબર ને કે નહીં?
બરાબર.
To the money she spends. તો આમાં આપણે શું લખશું? What is the amount she saves? 50,000, and money that she spends, what we found, 1 lakh. Anybody has any doubt with this? Boys,
No, sir.
No.
No, sir, no doubt.
we will write 50,000 here, and we will write 1 lakh over here.
Yes.
This 40 got cancelled with this 40. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So we got 1/2 here. 1:2 is the ratio we got. Any doubt with this sum number 8?
No, sir.
Our sum number 8 is over.
Yes, sir.
समझाई गया?
Yes, sir.
This is how in all the sums we have to do. Question number 9. Read करो बेटा, Ali Asgar.
Okay, sir. There are 102 teachers in a school of 3,300 students. Find the ratio of the number of teachers to the number of students.
How many teachers are there? 102 teachers. How many total students are there? 3,300.
3,300.
Right? Now, what is the ratio we have to find? The number of teachers to the number of students. સાવ easy છે. કાંઈ વસ્તુ find એ નથી કરવાની. It is very easy. Answer number 9. Number of teachers in the school is equal to 108. What is given? Sir, ઘરેથી કાંઈ લાવ્યા નથી. Number of students in the school is equal to 3,300. Any doubt with this? Any doubt, boys?
No, sir.
What is the content? We have to find number of teachers to the number of students. Ratio of number of teachers to the number of students. So number of teachers are how many? Number of teachers are what? Sorry?
108.
Yeah, sorry, 108. 108. Number of teachers are 108. And to the number of students, 3,300.
3,000.
Okay. So can I write here is equal to 108 upon 3,300?
Yes.
So can I divide this with table number 2? 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8. This also by 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 5s are 15.
No, sir.
Sorry, 2 5s are 10. I'm so sorry. 2 5s are 15. 2 5s are 10 and 2 0 as it is. So 2 into 1650s are 3,300. Again, I will divide by 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 7s are 14. 2 27s are 54. Now this 2 8s are 16. 2 2s are 4. बराबर ना? 1 here 2, 5s are 10. બરાબર છે?
Yes,
3
sir.
9s are 27. This also will go by 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 7s are 21. 3 5s are 15. Now, is it possible anything else? There is some
No,
mistake,
sir.
I think so. There is some mistake. Wait a moment.
Yes, sir. I am thinking that is
There is
why
some
I'm
mistake. I think so. There is some mistake. 2 5s are 10. 2 4s are 8. Okay, then 108 નથી બેટા 102 teachers છે. કહું છું, there is some mistake. I think so. It is 102 teachers. So અહીંયા પણ શું થશે?
Sir, ફરીથી 108 થઈ ગયું.
Wait કરી નાખું બેટા. It is 102 teachers here. અહીંયા શું છે? 102 છે. Okay. Now 2 5s are 10. 2 1s are 2. 2 1650s are 3300. Okay. Now 3 1s are 3. 3 7s are 21. Now 3 5s are 15. 1 year. 3 5s are 15. Again 0 as it is. So 17 is a prime number. So our answer will be 17 upon 550 because there is no calculations left in numerator and denominator. So our answer is 17 is to 550. Is that clear?
Yes,
okay,
sir.
sir.
Anybody has any doubt with this?
No, sir.
So please, your homework will be to complete all the sums one time in your fair book and one time in your rough book up till question number 9 from exercise 12.1. Okay?
Okay, sir. Bye,
Chalo,
sir.
do take care of yourself, take care of your health very well, and we will continue from question number 10 in our next lecture.
Bye, sir.
Okay,
Bye bye. Have a nice time. Bye bye.